titties, booty bounce.
Damn, mommy. Good morning, guys. So I really wanted to vlog today, so I'm gonna vlog, but I want it to be interesting because I don't know if I'm going out today because it's Saturday and my mom's at work and my dad just came back from work. And, well, he already washed my face, brushed my teeth. I didn't put my Ambi on, so sorry about my ashy face. And now I'm downstairs ready for breakfast. Oh my God, I haven't ate breakfast all week. Well, I don't eat breakfast during school. So when I have a chance to eat breakfast, I will, because school's like freaking 5 in the morning. Well, not 5 in the morning, but I wake up at 5. And I barely have time to eat. Or my body just doesn't want to eat in that early. But right now it's like 9 a.m. It's a good time to eat. So let me make some breakfast because I'm very hungry. And I'm really want some breakfast because I haven't had a good breakfast in a while. So, see, we got some eggs. We got some stuff here that we're gonna make. I'm about to sit here and watch some Jersey Shore because I haven't watched the new season yet. So yeah, it's about to be crazy. So I'll get back to you whenever I'm done with my breakfast. That was a good breakfast. That's like most of my calories right there. But I'm basically about to go upstairs, watch the rest of this Jersey Shore, and I don't know, it's Saturday. Do whatever the heck I want. Guys, so it is the next day. It's Sunday, but tomorrow's Labor Day. So I'm literally about to, what I'm about to do? I'm about to clean up the house everywhere, literally everywhere. And I know it's gonna be tiring, but I'm doing absolutely nothing, and I did absolutely nothing yesterday. So, I know my mom would really appreciate it since she worked like a double yesterday and now she's doing another double today, which is crazy, but I know she will appreciate it even if she's not even asking. So yeah, let me go clean. And anyway, I need to clean my room anyway, and I don't know if I need to do laundry. I'm sorry if this fan is bothering you, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna clean, and it's gonna be smelling good. It's not gonna be fun because let's get cleaning instead of talking. Let's go. I don't even know where to start because maybe I should start from the bottom because I don't feel like bringing all the brooms and all the mops and stuff upstairs. So I'm gonna start from the bottom so it makes sense to start on the bottom, and then I'll work on the stairs when I'm going upstairs. And then, yeah, that's the plan. So let me stop talking now. It's gonna be music. I am a bad vlogger, but we went to Walmart and I got some stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First, I got my treats, bro. It's almost done though, Oreos. I got in there. I mostly wanted to go for my black pants, okay? Don't judge me. Walmart black pants are, you know, still good. And especially I ripped both of my black pants, so I don't know what's going on. So, and then I got some cereal, cat treats. And some gel for my hair because my hair is like really roughy, so I really want to smooth those edges. So I got this. I was questioning about this. I was gonna get the Ego styling gel, but I saw this, but I was like, oh, it seems so like, I don't know, thick. I opened it in the store. I felt so weird, but let me open it. I already used it, so it's basically this really thick gel. It's green when you lift it up, but I'm not going to show you because, well, if you guys want to know, just comment down below. And yeah, I really want to hair my legs because they're freaking hairy, so yeah. And I already tested out to see if I'm not allergic to it, right in that little patch on my arm. Well, while the daylight is still here, let me broom and mop around here, and I'm gonna vacuum this carpet because this is really the cat's carpet because all the litter boxes in there and it's really dirty when they step out. So let me go clean that. Then I got this hallway, then my hallway over here, and I still have to do the bathroom, and then my room. And then I already cleaned the stairs. It was hard to set up the stairs. Like I didn't know where to film, so I just did it without filming it. So yeah, let's So I totally forgot to make an outro for this video. So this is what that is. So it's like freaking, what day is it? The 10th? Oh my gosh, it's been so many days. And I still didn't edit this video, so now I am. And so I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.